Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Citrus Park local and long distance movers near me. Moving over 50 miles from your current location is a long distance move. This type of move requires adequate planning. We have highly trained movers and they handle your items with care, which prevents damages. Our trucks are ideal for transporting items over long distances. They are spacious and of the best quality. Our drivers are careful but are fast in getting your belongings to you on time. As a result, there is no form of delay. We have valid licenses from authorities in charge of long-distance trips. Our insurance plans also cover the risks during the move. 3 Movers provide the best local moving service in Citrus Park. Although we render the best local moves, our services are affordable. We charge between $30 to $40 per hour. Locals highly recommend us because of our standard moving service and our rates. We also provide exceptional customer service. Our local moves are fast, efficient, and very affordable. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Citrus Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.